My name is Nick Sinclair, and I'm with Galvanics, and we just pitched new sustainable metals production technologies. It would mean access to a broad network of talent and know-how, and how to take our business from our lab scale demonstration to a real commercial product.
Hello, my name is Amy Mucha. My business is Daisy Makes, and we 3D print cake pop tools for cake poppers around the world. What we came here today to ask Magnet is help with transitioning our 3D printing to injection molding.
I'm Mike Haratakis.
Chad DeGennaro with you, Jen.
We have a virtual physical therapy platform that we just presented to Magnet as part of the Mspire competition in 2024.
Seeking assistance to bring manufacturing that's currently being done for a product outside the United States to Northeast Ohio. Magnet has already been very helpful in introducing us to manufacturing resources. Working with Magnet would be very helpful in helping us design and develop our next iteration of our product.
Hi, I'm Lexi Knight. Today I pitched Solar Sprout, which is an agrivoltaic company based on organic solar cell technology. I feel really good about it. I'm really happy to be at Magnet today. I feel like I made a lot of good connections in there, and they've told me that they can help me connect with some networks, and I can't wait to work with them.
So my name is Evan Delahanty. I'm the founder of Peaceful Fruits. We make fruit snacks out of 100% fruit, but with all the fun, playfulness, and nostalgia of candy classics. We do that with a unique manufacturing approach that, believe it or not, almost no one else can match, because people don't know how to work with just real fruit without all the crutches of corn syrup, dye, thickeners, stabilizers, blah, 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 chemicals. We use just 100% fruit. Really exciting to be in a room today where people actually get that. When I pitch, I'm usually talking to venture capitalists, angel investors that just want to talk about the money and the brand, and they just sort of wave their hand and say, oh yeah, of course you'll figure out how to produce it. And I wave my hand with them and say, you bet I will. But it turns out it's not that easy. So it was really cool to be talking to the folks at Magnet today that understand how those real world constraints work, and wanted to talk about how we could solve those problems. So I was really excited to have this conversation, and hopefully they'll let me keep going and we can solve some of these problems together.